welcome back to my channel. I know I look like a crazy person right now. I just left Target, so I wanted to do a Apple Pencil unboxing with you guys. I'm on my lunch break, so I was like, why not just show you guys an unboxing real quick. And then I gotta head back to work. So if you'd like to see an unboxing on the Apple Pencil, then just keep on watching. First things first, let's open it up. I've been like wanting this so bad. I'm hoping it's worth the money. Because $100 for this is pretty pricey if you ask me. If I could ever open this thing. And it's hot, so I'm gonna turn on my AC and my camera's gonna die, so I gotta make this nice and fast. I spent so much time in Target that like it's just ridiculous how long everything took. So, dun dun dun, opening it up. I'm gonna lock my doors. I don't want someone to like come in here. So many people were like looking at me when I bought it. Alright, so here are the Formy forms. Looks like it comes with an extra tip. And this old lady's watching me. It comes with an extra tip. And this is like the charging port, so you could connect it to a charger and then connect your other thing. I don't know. Then it just says Pencil, Apple Pencil. And it just shows pictures on how to charge it. And a bunch of other forms that I don't care about. Next thing that we got here is the actual Apple Pencil. Wow. Let's unwrap that. It's kind of heavy, which I expected it to be. Wow, it's like really heavy. And then that's how you charge it. So overall, pretty cool. Nice, and it's weird spending $100 on this. Dude, people are like straight up looking at me. But yeah, that's the Apple Pencil for you. Sorry for this quick unboxing. I have to get back to work. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see a review on the Apple Pencil and my iPad, let me know in the comments down below and I'll be happy to do one.